Third graders, I want to briefly show you how to do a really fun, cool math and art and coding activity all in one. So, this is something fun for us to do the last 2 days of school that I really hope that you enjoy. Um, Hopefully, you get creative with it and make something really neat. So, I want you to take a look over here at our color key. All of these colors are choices for you to make whatever kind of artwork you want to make on this page. You'll see I started making something. I started making a letter M. If I wanted to write my name, like Mrs. D'Alessandro, I could do that. And so I just kind of wanted to show you what it looked like as I got started. You can do anything you want. You can do a picture. So if you have like a character from a video game or from a show that you want to try to make using this pixel art, go ahead, be creative. And I can't wait to see what you come up with. So here's how it works. Each of these colors um, is typed in a certain way. So if I wanted to use this red right here, where you see underneath A and 1, okay? Red is in the first line. This red is the first color in the first line. So I would just type in a 1 in whatever box I wanted it to go in once. So let's say I want to put a red one in this box. I type a 1 in and I press return or enter, and suddenly the red appears. Let's say I want to use this like light red color that almost looks a little bit peachish. That one would be two ones next to each other, 1, 1, because it's in the first line, but it's the second one in line. So if I wanted to, I would type in 1, 1, enter, and I get that light red color. If I want to do this one right here, this one that's third in line, this like burnt orange color, I would type in 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1, 1, enter. Let's say I want to do this like bluish gray color. That's the fourth one in line, and it is on the first line. So I would type in 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and it goes like that. So let's say down here I want to do this like teal color. Okay, it's on line number 8, and it's the third one in line. So I would type in 3 8s to get that color. So 8, 8, 8, enter. Okay, another example. Let's say I want to do this kind of goldenrod yellow. It's on the third line, and it's the third one in line. So I would type in 3 3s and press enter. Okay. Now I'm going to delete those because I don't want them. As you can see, I started making my name. I started putting it in a certain order so that you could see the letters for the M. So now I am going to continue that, and I can actually highlight all of these boxes, and it should work if I type it in. So I'm going to type in the green that I've been using, which is this one right here. So it would be 444. Oh, it didn't actually work. So hold on. If I click on it and I drag it down to all of the cells that I want to include, I should be able to copy and paste. Nope, paste. I guess not. I guess I can't copy and paste it. I'm sorry, boys and girls. So you're just going to have to do each one individually. So I would do 444 again, 444. Okay, and now I'm done with my M. So now I'm going to leave some space, and I think I'm going to make an R for Mrs. And I might do that in a different color. I think I might want to do this blue here. This is pretty. So it's on line number 9, and it's the fourth one in line. So I'm going to type in 4 9s. Okay. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to keep going. All right. Now I'm going to try to do it up here so that I can make my R. Oops. Okay. Now, let's say that after you do one, you accidentally put a color that you don't want there. Like, I don't really want this one. I'm going to click back in the box, and I'm going to press delete. So I get rid of it. All right. And then now I'm going to work on my S. So maybe I'll do like this goldenrod yellow. So 3 3s. So you get the idea. It's really cool. And it takes a lot of thought as to how you want it to look, and you may have to play around with it and delete as you go. But I'm excited to see what you come up with. If you can't think of a picture to make, then feel free to do your name just like I'm doing. Your name is, oops, and now see, I accidentally made a gray one, so I'm going to delete that. And then I'm going to keep going. So have fun. I'd like you to spend some time both days working on this. Either make a picture for me or make your name. Or you could do both if you want. It is up to you. When you're done, turn it in so I can see your creations. Enjoy!